The kettlebell floor press is a great shoulder strength and stability workout, as well as being a good home workout, as you simply need 2 kettlebells and the floor. To perform a kettlebell floor press, we want to avoid the weight pulling our arms to the side and tweaking our shoulders. To do this, begin with the kettlebell by your hip and grab the handles with bent elbows. The trick here is to lean back, let your elbows touch the floor to create a sort of lever, and take the kettlebells with you as you lean all the way down to the floor. From here, keep your arms about 45 degrees from your body and press the kettlebells over your shoulders. The floor press forces you to be slow and controlled on the descent as to not bash your elbows on the floor. Once your set is complete, turn the kettlebells toward your hip and perform a sit-up to return to the starting position.